Hello, and welcome to another update video on Fetch.AI. Here on the FET chart, I continue to track this Elliott wave triangle, which, I mean, still is unfolding as a triangle. I know it's frustrating, but so far this perspective has been holding up quite nicely. The idea that we could be in a sideways consolidation in this triangle pattern. However, what we need to see is that this B wave completes soon. We could get a few more, let's say, sideways movements, right? And like an A, B, C, D, E structure here, and kind of a triangle pattern which should form higher lows and lower highs. So it should, however, complete soon and then ideally take the price higher. It is important that this support zone here is holding up, and even if we break below the previous swing lows here, for example, around 60 cents and 54.5 cents, even if we break below these previous swing lows, the market could still be working on a B wave, but it wouldn't be a triangle anymore. So I'm treating the triangle as primary, but if we break below those key levels, then I wouldn't see it as a triangle anymore, but still as a B wave. So we would just basically fall back into the larger pattern and into the larger support area. And in that case, then, to keep a bullish perspective anyway alive here, we should hold above 43.2 cents. Now, from a bullish point of view, once a low is in and we see breakouts above these technical levels, for example, above the yellow trend line, above the green line here around 89 cents, and then $1, it should take the price into the area around $1.50 plus. So that's an ideal target there for this C wave to the upside. As you can see, the market is kind of in a holding pattern, probably waiting for Bitcoin, but we do have a 5-wave move to the upside in an impulse from the April low, which means the pullback or consolidation is actually seen as just as a correction of that 5-wave move, and the trend is up. So we should see at least one more high there. Now, let's take a look at the shorter time frame. It might give us some additional information. Further clues: tracking micro patterns in triangles is incredibly messy and difficult. But here, what we talked about, I believe, in the last video still seems to be holding up, which is that we could still be working on that D wave in the triangle. So a triangle is an ABCDE structure. We likely completed the E wave, one of the important swing lows, on the 2nd of August. We're now in the D wave, which is an ABC structure. We do have 5 waves up as well from the August low, and this move down appears to be a corrective pullback, and micro support is located here around 63.5 cents to 70 cents. So while I think one more low would be ideal in this wave C of B, I think a low could form in this region, and then the start of the C wave to the upside is basically due. In terms of upside targets here, just internally, this is within the triangle, the C wave to the upside could reach round about 85 cents. That's the update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.